For question 20, we are given that the first and three more successive terms in a geometry progression are given as follows. So we have our first term here. So this is our A, and then this is our following number in the pattern of geometry. So they are testing us on geometry progressions. So obtain the common ratio R. So when we want to obtain the common ratio R, means the term at the back here divided by the term at the front here will be same as this 1701 divided by Y. So our concept is for geometry, Y divide the term before it will be equals to 1701 divided by Y. So we can do our cross multiplication, you will get Y squared. So for that part, you'll get 321,489. So therefore, our Y will be going to get square root of so our Y will be equals to 567. Therefore, in order to find out our common ratio, we will need to substitute our Y inside, which is 567 divided by 189, which is 3. Hence means we will use the information we have just now. We have to find the smaller integers n such as Tn is axis 10,000. So Tn is axis 10,000. We have to find what is our n here. So Tn it will be A, our A is 7. So A, R is 3, then n minus 1 greater than 10,000. So we're going to simplify our numbers. So our numbers here for 7, we will move to the right hand side. It will become 10,000 divided by 7. Then we're going to start doing log both sides in order for the n to move down. So I move down the n because I will going to log both sides. So make sure we figure out what is this log value first before we going to move it, because we have to very be careful. If it's negative value, when we going to move it to right hand side, we divide by negative, we need to change sign. So we have to double confirm our value first before we move it. So this is 0.4771. I give more decimal because we haven't come to the final answer yet. So for the right hand side, log 10,000 over 7. So it gives us 3.154902. So for this movement, we move this number to the right hand side, then it is secure. It is safe, where we no need to change the sign because it is positive numbers. So therefore, n minus 1 will be greater than 6.6, 1, 2, 3, 8. So I put 4. So n will be greater than plus 1, 7.6124. So what's the value of n? What's the smallest value of n? Because it said n greater than 7.6. So n can be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 30, 40, 100, 1000. A lot of numbers. So it said I want the smallest integers n, which is can greater than this. So means this is n equals to 8. So what's important here? The first one, when we have geometry progression, we must know their relationship. The term after this divide in front of this term must be equal to this term divided by this term. This is the characteristic of geometry progression. Then we get to the answer of y. Then apply the answer of y in order to find this common ratio. After that, we key in our formula here. We put in our basic here, where's our a, where's our r, and n minus 1, which is axis means greater than 1000. So write it correctly. Then we try to solving by log both sides in order for the n power to move down. So when it moves down time to the in front, then we can solve it. So then we can solve it. We can know the range of our n. So finally, we can state out what is the smallest value that can fulfill more than 7.6126.